A US-made prototype jet has broken the sound barrier in the first commercial venture to achieve supersonic speed since concorde'in Supersonic, a startup that seeks to build the world's fastest airliner, flew a test flight of its fighter jet-sized XB1 demonstrator over the Mojave Desert in California on Tuesday. At an altitude of about 10,700 meters, 35,000 feet, the jet accelerated to Mach 1.1, or about 845 miles per hour, 1,360 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed at which sound travels. The XB1 has now completed 12 successful test flights and is a precursor to, and a third of the size of, Boom's proposed commercial airliner. That aircraft, named Overture, promises to transport 64 to 80 passengers across the Atlantic in about 3.5 hours, compared to 6.5 hours by current means. While its aircraft are still in the test phase, the company has 130 pre-orders from American Airlines, United Airlines, and Japan Airlines. The firm has a factory in North Carolina, where it plans to build 66 Overture aircraft a year.